Welcome back to Nisha's Maths Master Class, and today I am going to explain the next topic of the parameter, that is means area. Now see children, parameter and area. Again I said that both the things are correlated with each other but different. So when we have to think about the parameter, so that time we just think about the border, correct? Now we are thinking about the area. So what is meant by area? So when we think about the area, so that time whatever the area, whatever the space we occupy, so that is means area of that particular classroom or any playground, whatever. Okay, so parameter means we count border only, and in area we have to use whatever area we use. Okay, whatever space we use, that is means area. For example, now I draw one rectangle here. Now see children, parameter means we have to count the length and breadth. Okay, we want the sum of that length and breadth, and when I want to find out the area, so that time whatever the inside part is there, that I am going to count. So for that purpose, whatever the formula is there, that we have to use. For example, area of rectangle is equal to L into B. This is the formula of rectangle of area. Then area of square is equal to side square. Side square. Okay. Then again area of triangle is there. Area of circle is there. Okay. Now different type of areas, whatever the shapes are there, so different type of area formulas are there. And the most important thing means, देखो हमारे घर पे हम लोग इंटीरियर करते हैं. When we have to do the interior, so that time whatever the mason, when he did his work, so that time he used the area. So what time? That time he take the that time you find out the area of that particular hall, bedroom or kitchen. Okay, so after that they use the interior for that purpose. See, now this is interior part, so we call that area. Okay, और जो border है वो है parameter. Got my point everyone? So this is the simple concept related to the area. Now in practice set 45, 1 and 2, both the questions are easy. Okay, third question is little bit different, so now I am going to read that. But first of all, first question I will explain, then next video I will explain the question number third. If the side of a square is 12 centimeter, so side of square, this is our solution, 12 centimeter. और हमें क्या करना है, एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है. ठीक है, सो एरिया of square is equal to side square. Okay, this is our formula, and the side is given 12 centimeter, means we want the square of 12. So what is the square of 12? 12 12s are 144. Okay, now square area we want, so square centimeter. This is our formula, this is our answer of this question. Okay, understood children? If you like the content, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.